Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable external apps on Discord channel. So for you to be able to disable external app being posted by members of the channel, here is how you can get it done. Click on your server. So once you click on your server, then you can easily locate the channel or click on the channel you want to disable external apps for. So in this process, I'm just going to click on this channel, which is the programming channel I created a few days ago. So I'm just going to click on the permission option. I'm going to scroll down all the way down and make sure this particular option, which is use external app, turn it off. Once turn it off, then click on save changes, and that's it. That is how to disable external apps on Discord channel. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.